Hi, this is Tracy with Earthly Body, and today I'm here with my client Ceci, and we're going to show you how to use our Marrakesh products to do an updo. Today I'll be using our wave product as an iron guard. I've already prepped Ceci's hair today by washing her and conditioning her with our Marrakesh color care line. And then I went in with our bounce product and put some of this on her root area because she has very thick hair, so that we could create a little bit of volume at the root. And we decided to use Isle of You oil for a different scent today on her ends. And I blew dry her hair and put it up in a nice high tight ponytail. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna start from the bottom of the ponytail and work your way up, especially if you have someone with a lot of hair like Ceci. Go ahead and just take a little section that's about an inch in width, and then you take the wave product and you spray it a little on each side and just run it through the hair. And then go ahead and take your wand or your iron and curl as usual. And so now you're going to continue this throughout the rest of the ponytail. You can already see how shiny the hair is. And when you let go, you can see that it gives it such a nice hold. Her hair is actually really hard to curl, so it's really easy to utilize this product to get a nice bounce and a nice hold on the curl as you're curling it. And you're just going to continue this around the head in 1-inch sections. So I finished the curls on her hair, and you can either go through and take the logger like I used. So you can go through and just take the logger paste and put it right through the ends, and it seals the ends so that they're nice and smooth. So what I'm going to do with Ceci now is I'm going to take a little piece of hair from underneath, and I'm just going to wrap it around her ponytail. And then you're just going to take a bobby pin and you're going to secure it underneath. And you can either go through and take a little piece of hair and just kind of pin it to the side so that you can kind of completely hide, which is really easy to do. And if you turn the pin sideways, it makes it to where you can't see it. And if you'd like to finish off like that, that's great. What I like to also do is take the logger product and define the bang a little bit. So you just take a tiny little bit. You really don't need much for this. You just want a little bit of a definition. And you can also use this to kind of take any little pieces that may be standing up to control them. So I like to have kind of a piecey look on her. All right, now that I have some curl in her hair, I'm just gonna go through and take some of them and do kind of like a soft waterfall. You can go through if the hair's fine, or you can go through and tease it a little bit. I'm not gonna do that with hers just because I just want it real simple. And then just go through with a little bit of the finite spray. And just smooth out little areas that may need smoothing. So here we have the finished look. It's just a ponytail updo, utilizing the wave as an iron guard, the logger to seal the ends of the hair, to define the bang, the finite to finish the product and create a nice shiny finished look. And using the wave, it's actually a salt spray, which is really great because the salt kind of gives a tackiness to the hair. So when you're curling it, it actually will hold on to that curl a little bit and allow the volume to stay in the shine. So this is my finished look. It's kind of like a waterfall basket braid, something that a bride could wear very easily. So this is my finished look. Thank you so much.